What's up guys, welcome to back new another video. In this video I'm going to show you fixed GCash update problem 2025 GCash problem today. How to GCash problem. Okay, let's first now go your Play Store app. Now search your GCash app. Now search GCash. Now upgrade your GCash app. Now your upgrade. No, not upgrade. Now click your settings. Scroll down now. Now click apps. Now click search bar. Now search GCash. Now click your GCash. Now click storage. Now click clear cache. Now click clear data. Now click delete. Now click full stop. Now click permission. Now your all permission. Now all permission. Now go back. Now your phone restart. Now click your phone restart. Now your phone restart. Now click your Play Store app. Now click update. How to fix GCash update problem solved by doing your process. Thanks for watching my video and subscribe now my channel.